it going? We're in Relish. This has been highly recommended to us, so we're here to check it out. Here you go, chicken noodle soup, 100 rupees. That's about €1, €1.70, 80. Hot and sour soup 120, just over €2. No, sorry, just under €2. 180. Leafy mushroom lentil soup 180. It's complimentary, guys. If it's free, it's for me. Here these go, guys. Chicken and chili sauce, 240 rupees. This place is gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. Airy, spacey, really nice ambience. Look at these lights, absolutely stunning. And he's got the fan on for us, which was nice. Well, this little gem, Scotch broth, that'll do for my starter. Here you go, guys, for an example, vegetable fried rice. 90 rupees. That's nothing, that's just over £1. Fantastic menu. And very good prices, it's what we like.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, I changed my mind, I had to. There's too much on the menu. Look at this little baby, look. This is nice, this is like a lentil type patty stuff. And then we go into this stuff. This is a God, that's beautiful. It's like a peanut sweet taste stuff. But this stuff there, that's the one to avoid. It's absolutely disgusting. And it's red hot. Scotch broth. Let's see what this is like. That is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. We're in India, mind, and they're making Scottish broth. Originated in Scotland, imported into India. That's what they say. Right, guys, that's the empty plate away. That soup is beautiful, just like my mother used to make. Starting to fill up down there, guys. The GoPro, it's unfortunate it's not got the zoom feature, but there's a few people down there, I can assure you. There's it, guys, that's where they prepare the food, just in there. It's a really nice place. Right, guys, this has got two parts to it. You've got a non-smoking area and a smoking area. Obviously we're up here at the non-smoking area. If you're into your cigarettes, fancy having a fag while you're eating, just go down there beside the rest of the guys. Look at that! Chicken steak, mushroom sauce, chips and tangy coleslaw. That looks beautiful, and look at the size of the plate. This is right up our street. I hope mine's is the same, guys. That looks gorgeous. So as you can see, mine's is here. I've got a vegetable fried rice and chicken in a hot garlic sauce. Let's do this. Right, so here's mine. It's got a bit of this chicken and the hot. Oh my god, it's falling apart. Look. That is proper food. You want to cry tasting this. Cry. It's gorgeous. Oh my god. Right, mind what I was talking about, portion control. I blew it again. I'm going to have to try and eat that and make sure that there's no waste on that plate. Lizzie says hers is beautiful. She's getting tore in. Next time you see me, that plate will be emptied, guys. Ciao. I've overcome when no other man would overcome that. Look at Lizzie's plate. It's a miracle that I even finished that plate of food. There was mountains on there, but by God, that was gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Big massive chunks of garlic in there. There was spring onions, carrots in the rice, beautiful big balls of chicken. Really, really nice. Empty plates, empty plates, empty plates. Right guys, I'm happy now. That stomach is full to the gunnels. When I'm happy, I do crazy things. So what I'm going to do is tonight, see that t-shirt there? Once I get my 1 millionth subscriber, I'm going to put you on to a hat, and I'm going to draw out one lucky winner who'll end up with this t-shirt. And you've got to be in it to win it. Beep 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 beep. There it is, guys. The alarm is telling me it's going to be a Knickerbocker Glory. Knickerbocker Glory, guys. It's happening. And there's Lizzie's
banana split.
There you go, banana split. I'm in dreamland, guys. Dreamland. Beautiful. And I've still got half of it left. Right guys, look at this. 2 large gins, 2 large tonics, 1 mineral water, 1 Scottish broth, 1 chicken steak, 1 chicken hot garlic sauce, 1 vegetable fried rice, 1 Knickerbocker Glory, 1 banana split, 1,450 rupees, and that works out at about 19 euros. 19. That is incredible. Fantastic value for money. This is a place I definitely recommend. It's called Relish, at the back of the Baga deck, just down the lane. And it was one of the best meals. I feel stupid saying this again, but it was one of the best meals we've had. Wasn't it, Liz?
Yes, it certainly was.
And okay, so we're going to leave it there. Stuffed again, guys. If you've liked what you've seen, hit the thumbs up below. Subscribe and share my YouTube channel, please. And if you've got anything to say, comment. And until the next time, adios.